Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fessner from Inte.Team. Those who don't know, Inte stands for integrity, so integrity team. Why we've got such odd name for electronics repair shop, which we turn into the franchise now? Well, if you will look at the market, there are two types of repair shops. One, they are home-based, sometimes hobbyists who work elsewhere and they just want to fix something extra because that's what they like to do. Or there are some tinkerers as well, yes. And there is this second, which is commercial, yes, and the premises. The premises cost is £1,000-2,000 or sometimes even more in the shopping mall. So, okay, you might be saying, what do we want? Yes, well, as an integrity, we create an environment, proper environment for an average person in the era of job automations and taking job places to have additional source of income by fixing stuff from their home. So we need to integrate with local community, show them how to do it, give them whole know-how. That's why we've created whole platform to manage the business. So in 2022, in February 2022, we started to use Bro. Those who know Scottish knows that Bro is a good thing. Those who don't know, it means good thing. And what it is that it stands for bookrepair.online.co.uk. We started to use version 1. And now our great team is finishing phase 2 of version 2. Now the version 2 is superior, of course, comparing to version 1, and it's created with Laravel framework and with opportunity to connect it with automation workflows. So you can use an 8N platform, you can use other platforms, you can create your own even chatbots that will communicate with. So it's more modern and more flexible and very secure as well. You can read about Laravel in general. It's a great framework. Now what it is that our goal is to use our Bro as an ERP platform, enterprise resource planning, so you can make bookings over there, you can create custom form, how you make your booking, or just tickets. Maybe you don't want a booking, you can add preferred way of communication so customer can choose, and so on. Yes, then after form submission, customer can receive a confirmation, and you can receive confirmation even on Telegram if you want, because the platform allows to do so. Yes, even Bro version 1 gives me Telegram notifications, which is different from WhatsApp notifications, which I neglect. Whereas if I see Telegram notification, it's a different type of notification, then I automatically know somebody has booked in. So then I can move on to the next step in the customer journey, yes? And then I can then either call the customer, or in the future chatbot can try to communicate with the customer. If they want only an estimate, then we need to step in, but customer can receive confirmation that we're on it, yes, and we will be in certain amount of time. Then there is an invoicing system in it, team management, you can designate a team, and you've got WSL. So what it is, it's warehouse logistics. You've got all management, and one of the team members, he didn't say, but he added barcodes, which is great stuff. Yes, this way you can come to the shelf, to the rack, and you can just scan the code and you can speed up your work. So this is a great tool for anyone who runs any business to be true, not only repair shop. Yes, if you know of anyone who runs a business and they would like to automate their workflow, that's a tool to go to. We developed it since about 2020, or 2021. But I can say to you, we're not stopping. We still move on. Although we may be at the end of stage 2, which allows us to introduce the second version on the market, and we've got first people renting it from us. But we would love to see more people using this because it's a great tool. I will leave Bro for now. Let's move on because it's already 5 minutes. The second platform which we will build now, once this phase 2 will be finished will be CRM, so customer relationship management. Now we have some of it in Bro, but it's not that great as I would think of originally. Okay, that's why I want to segregate these two. We're using database of our customers from Bro, and we use it in a CRM, and this way we can connect all the modern platforms and create automations for reply for each type of reply to the customer, or even a chatbot which have instructions how to behave and knowledge base what to say and when to say. Okay, so in that case you've got perfect customer relationship management tool with the ERP platform which manages your bookings, invoicing, warehouse and other stuff, yes, like inventory. Now this tool, you would say, it's already good enough to run the business, but our franchise goes even further than that. I've created a dojo training platform which allows an average person to learn from A to Z everything about electronics repairs, or let's say other shop of any other service out there. They need their own automation and they need their own training platform and they need their own booking system. They can use it this way, yes, with their own videos about their own topics, and then they can create SOPs, standard operating procedures, based on that training. And to go even extra mile further, I've added skill matrix, as I've got here a person who's helping me. The person said that skill matrix would be a valuable addition, and the skill matrix app is as well up and running. In this case, you add technician to your team in the app, and then you can see what the next thing on the list has to be learned by that technician. So in that case, when the technician is saying they've learned something new, you can go examine them and you can see if you can tick them off, sign them off, and they can move on to the next niche part. Yes, so I would say that now you should see that the system is complete. Now only what left is create better trainings, more efficient trainings. That's what we're on top of just now, and to deploy it properly. Yes, so what it is that we're switching servers and so on. Once we will go through it, we will be able to deploy it permanently, and there is a daily backup of Bro, of the database, but we want to have 3 copies, not 2 like we've got just now, because now the server make a backup on the server and then a copy is automatically uploaded once per day to Google Drive, okay, when it's happening. Whereas in the future, like N8N is taking webhook and it's taking the booking details, that sends to my Telegram, but I want to save it just in case in like another database, like Supabase for instance. This way, if anything goes wrong, we can have access still to the data and we can restore the functionality really quickly. So we're aiming for enterprise grade. Yes, we don't want to stop where we are. It's very good, very professional, and we're still developing it, but we want to reach the enterprise grade. Now what's in it for you? If you want to earn extra, or if you would like to see yourself either as a franchise or as a team member of Inte.Team who would like to manage one of our branches remotely, then you can contact us at Inte.Team, yes, Inte, which stands for integrity, as you know, so Inte.Team, and you can let us know about it. This way we can talk and we can then sign NDA, no disclosure agreement, and then non-compete as well, so that you won't be doing us competition, you will be working with us rather than against us, and we will create easy terms to follow. We will help with the market research, local market research, what to do, how to do it, and then with finding first people who would like to be technicians. Some of the local businesses might turn to be a great fit for you. Why? Because some of them, they are working from home. They are advertising locally. but they don't have this edge which we are given, the integrity. That means they don't have team to help them grow. They don't have team to do R&D, research and development of all the faults out there. They don't have team when things go sideways and they need to do something and they are not sure to ask for help. Whereas here we are with integrity. Yes, so we help one another. In that case, with our standard operating procedures, with our software to manage the business, with our team, we can grow in the whole country, and that's the goal. Inte.Team would like to be in the whole country with local people who earn locally and spend locally, yes, rather than somebody else take the most and then you make the little. Yes, so that's the model of the business which we have. We don't work from premises, we work from home. So every technician is under supervision of some manager, and then the manager is in a supervision of pickup and drop off points. Okay, so then the stock, when it's delivered to pickup drop off points, is taken by technicians for the repair, and all the procedures about it are explained further when we start to cooperate. But the whole system is in place, so it's now just a matter of scalability. If you think that scalability with us is something which you would like to experience, or if you like to fix electronics and you would like to maybe not manage the branch but would like to be a technician, you can let us know as well, because we will be looking sooner or later for technicians and for the managers in your area. So we might do your area instead, yes, first, rather than going elsewhere. That depends always how much attractive the business is in your area. Yes, so if we will see that there is a lot of competition, that's a good sign that the market is there, yes, for us. And in general, repairs are okay. But yes, but without market research we can't start new area, because in some areas what we see, it's harder than it is in other areas, and we might prepare ourselves well before we will go into those harder areas, just because we aim for 5-star rated type of quality services, and the least we want is give 4-star rated, because we can't afford, yes, at the moment. So we need to be careful, we need to be just doing the best, yes, what we can, and that's why we start with market research. Guys, I don't know if you have any questions. If you do have questions, contact us with Inte.Team, yes, Inte.Team contact details, website, and that's all I wanted to say in this video. Yes, thank you guys for watching. If you think that's opportunity for you, you know what to do. Thank you. Bye bye.